Fucking 10 points, homie.
I wasn't even fucking looking at the ground because I knew it was far. I was like, fuck.
That's what I started getting. It started all getting in my face. Like, fuck, my whole body's gonna get fucked up. Ew. Did she just throw up?
Yeah.
Something splashed my ankles. Got like 3 more feet. Maybe 4 more feet.
He's the top one.
Keep going up.
Oh shit. Don't give up. Keep going back.
Yeah!
Yeah, like that. Hell yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah.